How to send a message with effects on iPhone, iPad and iPod Touch. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Help Deck. In today's video I'll show you how you can send a message with effects on your iPhone, iPad or iPod, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So instead of just sending a normal boring message, if I open the messaging application, let's say I want to message a specific person, in this case, right now this person also could be an Android user, it doesn't necessarily need to be an iPhone user. So all you have to do is select your recipient and then just enter your message over here. To send this message with effects, all you have to do is just go ahead and then long press on this arrow icon which you see. Once you long press on the arrow icon, you'll be able to see all this. You can send an invisible link, a gentle or loud or slam, right, depending upon whatever you want. Just like this, you should be able to send it to them. Now this is basically the bubbles, but if you want a full screen, you can select this full screen effects, and then you can see different type of full screen effects. You have send with echo as well, and then you can just swipe right, you can send with spotlight. If you swipe more, then you can send with balloons. If you swipe, you can just send with confetti, and you have different types of effects to fool around with your friends, right? Just select any of these effects and then hit the arrow icon in order to send this person. So when this person basically receives it, they should be able to see that specific effect on their messaging application. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then simply send message with effects on iPhone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.